If you have an online business, it is easy to work from any place in the world, make a living on the internet, and set your own hours. Starting off your online business utilizing online platforms is great for new entrepreneurs who do not have a lot of funding since the startup costs are extremely low. But how do you ensure that the business is going to be profitable? Are all online businesses profitable? No, of course not. Just like many offline businesses are unprofitable. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV and welcome to another episode of Know How Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how to start a profitable online business. Hit the subscribe button below if you are new here and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I upload 3 videos a week on how to make money online and motherhood videos. Here are the 5 tips on how to start a profitable online business. Tip number 1, choose a low-risk business model. Some online business models are very simple and requires minimal to zero startup cost. This is so crucial to minimize the risk of a startup business. A few examples are the Amazon FBA, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing. I will go in depth on these business models the next round. My favorite and the business model that I often use is the dropshipping model. It is by far the most profitable and most hassle-free one. If you want to know the facts on dropshipping, I will leave the link up here and in the description box below. Tip number 2, conduct a thorough product research. This tip is critical and it will bring you profit faster because you have the right products or services in your business. By doing a thorough product research, you are able to identify your competitors and decipher their pricing and marketing strategy. Tip number 3, testing your product before launching. Testing is a very important part of learning what works before jumping into online business. Every product should be tested out before fully exposing to your target audience. By market testing your idea or product, you will save yourself from additional expenses and most importantly, from delivering a bad product to the marketplace. Tip number 4, develop a marketing strategy for your product or services. This includes the step to promote your online business and put it in front of the right audience. For online business, the best and the most effective way to promote your products or services is through social media marketing. You have a choice of having a paid advertising or just an organic one. When I first started out, I was on a tight budget. Hence, I started off with growing my Facebook page organically. I was able to earn a good profit on the second month of my first online business with zero marketing cost. Tip number 5, identify your target audience. Determining a target audience allows you to focus your marketing efforts in the most cost-effective way possible. Find out how I start my online business over here and subscribe to me over here to stay updated on my online business videos every week. I will see you on my next one. Bye!